Hey guys, I love my Aperol Spritz. So when I'm hanging out having a Spritz, I like to take my time. And when the ice melts, your drink might get a little watered down. So a solution is to freeze your Aperol with a little bit of club soda. And you can add a little bit of orange juice in there if you want, and freeze it into ice cubes so that as your drink melts, it just becomes more Aperol and a little bit of club soda. So this is going to be an Aperol Spritz using our Aperol ice cubes. So I also do this with my iced coffee, which I've shown you guys, where I'll freeze coffee into ice cubes and put it in my coffee. So the coffee is just melting into more coffee. It's not watering down. Same rule applies. Aperol Spritz ice cubes, which is Aperol, club soda, and a little bit of orange juice put into an ice cube tray, frozen overnight. It does take longer to freeze because there's alcohol in there, so you got to be patient. So I'm going to pop a little. I'm kind of obsessed with tangerines recently, so this is the tangerine. And it adds a little sweetness. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Prosecco. Because my Aperol is already frozen into my ice cubes, I'm just going to fill this with Prosecco and then top it with a little bit of club soda with a spritz of tangerine juice. Look at that. Now you want to be really gentle with your ice cubes. Prep ahead Aperol Spritz. Incredible. It's so good. Wow. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for hanging out. Cheers. Oh my goodness, that is delicious. I like the Aperol better in the ice cube because sometimes Aperol is a little too sweet, which is why you've seen me make this drink with Cappelletti or the Cochi Rosa. Oh my gosh, this is even more mild with the Aperol being frozen. That is delicious.